How do you do? I'm Matt, and you're watching Desert Warrior Airsoft. Today, 6 people from our local airsoft group, including myself, traveled from our small town in Page to play at the VIP Airsoft Arena in Phoenix. This QCB field has a gun limit of 330 feet per second, and unfortunately uses what I personally think is ridiculous. Yes, that's right, the bang rule. If you don't know what that is, basically you're forced to say the word bang to simulate weapon fire within 10 feet of your opponent, which can be easily abused and tends to be problematic. Get ready, because here's some gameplay from me and my cousin. I'll be rocking the IWI Tavor, while my cousin uses the FN P9.
Hey Keith, heard you need reinforcement. Hey Keith, I'm moving across. Oh, never mind. You. Watch out, they're down the hall, Matt. Oh,
hey, team!
Yeah, he's stuck right here. Watch out. Yeah. Watch out.
Hey!
Out. Yeah, go to spawn point. How about that?
Watch out where you put that laser. Hey, move out. Watch out. Watch out. Wait.
Which direction?
Oh, maybe you do that. My bad, Ref. I didn't do it. I swear. There's a guy all the way to the left.
So while my teammates are gunfighting with our opponents on the right, I just spawn back in, and I begin shooting anyone who's trying to use these barrels as cover through the gap. But this doesn't last long because my mag stops speeding.
Watch out, they're on the right side.
My teammate is hit and heads back to the respawn. Meanwhile, our entire team pushes the enemy back to their towers, which is one last group of rooms before their spawn area.
Watch out. Right there!
I head back to the respawn while my team member has just caught up with the main group and proceeds to hold down this left side corner while our team takes the tower above him.
Oh, bang, bang! Oh, bang, bang!
Eventually I arrive back into the game and move into the tower we just captured. But first, we need to stop the incoming fire from our teammates in the rear. We don't seem to hear the kid calling for them to stop.
Hey!
Go out!
We're no flags!
Go out now.
Okay. Bang, 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 bang! Hey! Shot, kid. I think he's out, man. Shot. Well, get out of the way! Whoa. Oh, shit.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more airsoft and paintball content.
Is it over?
This is Unison from Desert Warriors Airsoft, and I'll see you next time.
Hey, did they say it was over?